Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, English Skills with Allie. So since tomorrow is Halloween, I thought it would be fun to make a video about the history of Halloween and discuss some Halloween vocabulary. Okay, so first I want to talk a little bit about the history of Halloween and how it came to be what we know it as today. So the word Halloween comes from All Hallows Eve, and it means hallowed evening. So it started as a Celtic festival or pagan festival called Samhain. The word looks like Samhain, but it's pronounced Samhain. And Samhain means summer's end. So this festival, Samhain, was always held at the very beginning of November because this was the final day of the harvest. It also celebrated the crossing of the spirits into another world. So a lot of people think that Halloween started in America, when actually it originated from places like France, the UK, and Ireland. So a lot of these people in these countries would ward off ghosts and spirits by lighting sacrificial bonfires. They would also dress up as saints, and that's kind of how costumes came to be. People would dress up as saints and go door to door by singing different songs and verses. Young children started going door to door and asking for soul cakes. And now, of course, it's become mainstream, and instead of asking for soul cakes, children go to doors and they say trick or treat. So Halloween actually didn't hit the US until the 1900s. And when it hit the US, that's when it really became mainstream and what we know as Halloween today, with trick-or-treating, and of course costumes have evolved and everybody has a party or something along those lines. Okay, so let's take a look at some Halloween-related vocabulary. First, we have a bat, blood, bones, candy, casket, cemetery, cauldron, cobweb, devil, costumes, ghost, haunted house, jack-o'-lantern, monster, moon, pumpkin, skull, tombstone, vampire, trick or treat, witch, and zombie. So those were some Halloween related vocabulary words. So I hope you all enjoyed this video and learned a little bit about Halloween. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. I will see y'all in the next one. Bye!